Sometimes you may need to launch command prompt in a specific folder in Microsoft Windows. Let's look at how you can do it quickly. A lot of times if you launch command prompt, it launches it right in your user directory. For example, mine is C users video recording. But a lot of times you need to launch it in a specific folder, so you have to navigate. For example, you may go get to the root folder and you have to execute multiple commands. Windows provides shortcut and allows you to launch it right in the folder where you want it to be. To do it, you launch File Explorer, navigate to the folder where you'd like to be. So for example, if you want to launch command prompt window right inside the temp folder, you navigate to temp folder. Then in the folder bar, you type CMD, and it launches it right in the temp folder, and you can start executing command right for the temp folder. What are the other features of Windows 10 you use on a daily basis? Can you please post them in the comments of this video so we all can learn? Thank you very much. If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.